Hello?
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today is another video. This video was supposed to be posted yesterday, but with everything going on, I just decided not to post and post today. So today I'm just working with a regular kiss kit, and I got a lot of messages to do a Salt inspired nail. If you don't know who Salt is, she is a YouTuber on here, and she's also a Instagrammer. She's bomb. I love her positivity. I love her different things that she posts. She posts about herself and just her insecurities and just things that she goes through in life. And I just feel like I really enjoy like her content. I will leave everything of her down below because this set is inspired by her. I just want to throw that out because I've just gotten backlash about copying and doing all of that stuff. So I just wanted to say that that yes, this is inspired by Salt. So I will leave all those links down below of her. She's bomb. Go check her out. I love her. I just love her positivity. She posts a lot of positive things and things that she goes through in life, and I just like it. But I just wanted to talk on here. It wasn't supposed to be a voiceover. It was just supposed to be like a watch me do my nails, but I just want to apologize to everybody out there. I know I may not sound bubbly and all this stuff, but it's just YouTube right now is just like very it's not what it used to be for me, like how it used to be. Everybody just got along. Everybody was, you know, doing their own thing and just, I don't know, just living their own life. But I just wanted to apologize to everybody for bringing, if I brought any bad like things to my channel or just my Instagram, or I don't ever want anybody to feel like I'm problematic or dramatic or just anything. So I do want to apologize to everyone and everything that has happened yesterday, which is why I didn't post, because to be honest, I am still human and I am still a person that has feelings, and I didn't want to do a voiceover and regret anything that I was going to say or just anything like that, just because they are people too. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I had a little problem with, well, not a problem, I won't say that, because it has all been forgiven and I'm okay. I hope they're good. But Long Hair Pretty Nails and her husband took upon themselves to say some mean things about a couple of us YouTubers, and I was one of them, and we just had a little problem. But I just wanted to not come on here yesterday, and that is why I am saying that, because I am still human, you guys, and I don't want to talk out of my human flesh. I wanted God to be interfered in that, just because, like, I want him to be in the middle of that, being that it was an altercation, not an altercation, but it was something that bothered me. And you just don't go off of your emotions. You have to sit down, pray about it, see where God would lead you, especially when you are like you have a lot of people that are watching you and things like that. You want to set the right example. I have kids that watch me, and in this world, kindness and love is just way better than bashfulness and hatred and things like that. So with that being said, yeah, you guys, I just did not post yesterday, and I kind of still want to take a little break from YouTube, not because of what was said by them, but just I feel like it's just, this community has gotten, I don't know, it's just a really weird feeling that I have gotten with this community. I love every one of my subscribers, and I do this for you guys, because in reality, I wouldn't do it. There's a lot of hate on the internet and just things like that, and yeah. But like I said, I don't wish them bad. I still do respect them. And no, you guys, I know a lot of you guys have asked me if I follow them still. No, I do not. I will not be following them. I'm sure they won't do the same, and that's fine because of how they feel about me. And I will not be doing the same just because I try to live a positive lifestyle, and I rather not hear what they have to say about me than to hear it and it bother me. So yeah, as for that, no, I am not, and I will not be following them, and I have no problems with them. I still respect them as people. I hope that God continues to bless them and their family, and use them in ways that they can be used. And yeah, so I wish nothing but the best. And as far as you guys saying my husband should have defended me and things like that, no, my husband is not involved in this. He will not be involved in this. And even though her husband decided to do what he did, my husband will not partake in that. Just because it was a man and me doesn't mean that my husband has to partake in that. I keep my family out of things like this, and I will continue to keep my family out of things like this. Whatever was said about me is fine, but with my family, it's a different story, and I will still remain an adult. But no, my husband has nothing to do with this, and he is not going to bash anybody. My husband is not like that. Around here, we just turn the cheek and we keep it going. Like I said, I have forgiven them, and I will continue to forgive anybody that does talk about me. As far as you guys commenting to me today, which is Saturday, about her apologizing to me, and it sucks that she didn't. It's fine. I have no problem with that. She doesn't have to apologize. Hey, it's her life. It's how she lives. I have already forgiven her. I've forgiven him, and that's all that matters. But I just wanted to come on here and say I love you guys. I don't know if I'm going to be posting anytime soon. Maybe I'll be encouraged within this week to post something, or just anything. But at this moment, I'm just blah, and I just am like, yeah, the whole thing with that just kind of like threw me by surprise, kind of. So I love you guys though, and like I said, I have no beef with nobody. Please don't send bashful messages to them. Don't do any of that, you guys. Show love, be kind, stay positive, especially in times like this. Stay positive. We need positive people. Love, and we need kindness, and we need people to show love and kindness. And I just want that, I know I have a lot of kids that are watching me. I want to just send a message to them that bullying is not something that you want to do. It hurts, it bothers. It's something that you should think to yourself, if somebody did this to me, how would I feel? And not only that, if you're not spiritual or not, it has nothing to do with spirituality, spiritual, like who you are spiritually. It's just the type of person that you are. When you show love and kindness, that shows that you're happy, you're in a good place. Always remember that hate comes from things that may have happened to them, or just anything like that. So I just want, especially kids that watch me, you guys are our next generation. You're leading a path for even smaller children, and just always remember to turn the cheek to whoever does wrong to you, whoever bashes you, whoever, just turn around. Don't even, I know it's hard to pay people no mind, but I promise you, it's way better to do that and let God handle that than for you to do it. So, and like I said, I forgive everybody. But I just wanted to throw that message out there, that being that I have a platform with a lot of people, bullying is not okay. And if you feel like you're being bullied or something is bothering you, block it out of your life. Don't even pay it no mind. Let it go and remove the person from your life if they are the ones that are bullying you. Don't make it even worse and things like that. Don't harm yourself. Don't think that you have to harm yourself. Like I said, just show love, be kind, and kindness and love will come back to you. God will see it and it will come back to you. So I just want to share that little message. And like I said, in this video, I am not copying anybody. I am just very inspired by Salt. A lot of you guys were tagging me in that picture too. And I really, really do love her and who she is. She's very positive. She is not a nail YouTuber, you guys. She's a regular YouTuber. And she normally posts her nails on Instagram. And yeah, so these are her nails. And I'm sorry I went on a little rant, but I just wanted to say that and say that I love you guys. And I wish I could hug you guys all, especially those that have supported me through everything and just show their kindness and their love. And yeah, so I love you. I know I keep saying it, but you guys are definitely amazing people. You are like, wow, the support and love you guys show. But I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.